Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add an end card in a YouTube video. In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to add an end screen, and this is what it looked like. However, you can also add an end card, which appears as a circular icon in the top right corner, and it'll expand like so when it reaches the timestamp in the video. So let me show you how to add an end card to your YouTube video. So first, log into your YouTube Studio account. Click on Content in the left side panel, and here's where you need to choose the video to edit. Hover your mouse over the specific video, and click on the pencil icon. This will open the video details section. Scroll down, and on the right side, click on Cards. This will open the Cards editor. So first make sure to place the playhead at the correct spot in the timeline below. This is the preview section, and there are different types of cards that you can add, as you can see here. For example, a video link, a playlist link, a channel link, and a link to an external website. However, the external link card is only available for YouTubers who are in the YouTube Partner Program. I will add a playlist card by clicking this option, and it'll open this playlist search page. You can use the search box to search for any playlist on YouTube or enter a specific playlist URL. And what you see down below are playlists that I've created. I'll choose this Firefox playlist. And as you can see, it's been added here in the preview section. It also appears here in the timeline below as a blue marker. You can add a custom message or teaser text here. I'll skip that and click Save. And it'll bring you back to the video details page. Click this back arrow button in the top left corner, and it'll bring you back to the channel content page. But that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.